Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to address the topic of negative thinking and share some powerful strategies to avoid it. Life is filled with challenges, setbacks, and disappointments, but succumbing to negativity only hampers our progress and robs us of joy. So, let's explore the path towards a more positive and empowered mindset. First, self-awareness is key. Reflect on your thoughts and emotions. Are they uplifting or draining? Challenge negative patterns and remember that you have the power to change your thoughts. You are not defined by them. Gratitude is a potent antidote to negativity. Take time each day to appreciate the blessings in your life, no matter how small. Focus on the positive aspects, lessons learned, and growth experienced. Gratitude shifts your perspective and allows you to see beauty amidst challenges. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out individuals who radiate positivity and inspire you. Engage in conversations that stimulate growth and optimism. Positive energy enhances your ability to maintain a positive mindset. Setbacks and failures do not define you. They are stepping stones to success. Embrace the lessons they offer and use them to grow stronger.
Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? And how can I use this experience to improve? Practice self-care and self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness, gentleness, and understanding. Nurture your body, mind, and soul. Engage in activities that bring you joy and peace. Remember, you deserve love and care, especially from yourself. Visualize your dreams and goals with unwavering belief. Fill your mind with positive affirmations and see yourself succeeding. Cultivate an unwavering faith in your abilities and the power of your dreams. You have the strength to overcome any obstacle. In conclusion, the path to avoiding negative thinking requires self-awareness, gratitude, positive influences, resilience, self-care, and unwavering belief. Embrace these strategies to reshape your mindset and forge a brighter future. Let's choose positivity, empowerment, and unlock our true potential. Thank you.